Do you want to know why most businesses fail? Plain and simple, it's failure to have a cash flow plan. Cash is the lifeblood of your business, and inadequate cash flow can be a real killer. In my 30 years of coaching entrepreneurs, it's not poor profits or declining revenue that leads to business failure. It's most often running out of cash. Today, I will share with you 3 sources of cash flow problems and what you can do about them. This is part 1 of a 2-part series, and we have a lot to talk about. So let's get started. I'm Kim Nagel, keynote speaker, business coach, and author of The Damn Plan, How to Find Freedom, Love, and Money in Your Business. For real, actionable, no excuses business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Let's start with what cash flow is. Cash flow is the cold, hard cash coming into your business and the cash going out of your business to pay for operating expenses. It's cash. It's spendable cash that comes in as a result of sales, loans, or equity investments. And cash flow management is all about the timing. You want the money coming in before it has to go out. Or you may have a situation, whether on a personal level or in business, you may have felt the pinch of not having money at the right time. Ouch! Cash flow situations are different for every business, but here's 3 possible situations. Situation number 1. Payroll is 10 days away and your bank account is bouncing in the zero zone. You are scared to tell your staff that they may not get paid on Friday unless you can get your slow-paying clients to pay you. To make matters worse, the last thing you want to do is call your clients and have them think you're desperate. So you put off making those collection calls. Situation number 2. You've been so busy delivering your products and services that you've put marketing on the back burner. And now your pipeline is empty, and cultivating new business usually takes about 2 months for you, which means there will be a huge gap in the cash coming in, and the expenses will just keep the cash going out. Situation number 3, you are presented with the opportunity of a lifetime and you have absolutely zero cash or credit to fund it. And you can't do a darn thing about it because you've been paying late and your credit is tanked and you are afraid to face the banker for a loan. You just feel like a failure. When the unexpected or uncontrollable has happened, I have seen time and again that businesses that track their cash flow are able to navigate unknown waters with confidence. Managing cash can be the difference between shutting down and staying open for business. It is so important that I have a special bonus gift for you at the end of this video. It will help you make cash flow projections for the future and analyze your current cash situation. Using this tool on a regular basis, you can plan for your spending, identify upfront cash needs, and plan for unexpected emergencies. But first, I want to tell you about those 3 areas of cash flow management that you must track immediately to monitor and improve your cash flow. The first source of cash flow problems that I want to talk to you about today is leaky money. In our business and personal budgets, most of us have leaky money. It's that money that just kind of drips away without us even realizing it. Maybe it's random phone apps or computer apps that we subscribe to, or memberships that are doing absolutely nothing to increase our sales. We get billed for them every month and the money just kind of drips away. Then there's travel expenses or office supplies that weren't on the budget, or promotional items that are still in the closet. The possibilities are endless, and they can add up in a hurry. Just imagine if you are leaking $300 a month, that's just $10 a day. That adds up to $3,600 a year. What could you do with $3,600 that would increase your sales? Number 2, manage your accounts receivable. This is the money owed to you for services rendered. Managing accounts receivable can be one of the most effective ways of creating positive cash flow. And there are multiple ways that you can help your clients pay you on time. Here's just a few. If you work on a contract, make sure that contract spells out the method and timing of payments. And then help your clients pay you directly through direct deposit. I love this method for paying my contractors. It saves me time and it costs very little. Then maybe offer a discount for faster payment or offer a credit payment option. It may cost you a small fee, but if it improves cash flow, it is well worth it. The third problem area I want to talk to you about today in cash flow management is pricing. In my video, D is for Determined Decisions, I talk about falling in love with products or services or clients that may actually be costing you money instead of making you money. Let me ask you this. For each product or service you sell, do you know how much it costs you? Cost of goods sold can be a huge source of leaky money. And your first step to calculating your pricing is to know your product and service costs, right down to the handout you give your audience or the bag you put your product in. Your costs are the minimum you can charge without springing a leak. But we are not talking about minimum just to cover cost. The DAM plan way of doing business sets your pricing according to the value you deliver and the value your clients perceive. To learn more about pricing and how to get your pricing right for you and your customers, watch part 2 of Cash Flow with Confidence. I don't want you to have to wait to get started on your cash flow management. So here's that bonus I promised you. This tool is called the DAM Plan Cash Flow Projection Tool, and I've put the link in the description just for you. Happy projecting and cash flowing with confidence. And if you haven't watched D is for Determined Decisions yet, click the link and watch that video. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks for watching today, and have a good damn day.